everybody, welcome back to my channel. In case this is your first time stopping by, my name is mariaigbafe. If this is not your first time, then welcome back. So as the title of this video entails, I'm going to introduce my roommates to you guys, starting with the first on the list. Dun, da, da, da.
Hello, people.
Now tell them your name. What's your name, baby girl?
My name's Angela Edopai.
Ooh, well, where are you from?
I'm from Edo State, as you can see.
Hey,
Girl
Oshe,
from Edo.
she's a fine girl. Oh. Boys, come on, iPhone 11.
Yes,
that's come
sir.
out. You can give her
Promise. I'm worth it now.
iPhone 11. She's worth it, oh. Then second on the list,
Hiya.
mariaigbafe.
Hi. We call it okay. My name is Isaac. It's very hard
Okay.
to pronounce. Binjisu.
What's your okay?
Binjisu.
What state are you from?
Edo State now.
Okay.
Shows.
Okay.
It's good to see you.
Then last on the list, this is my bunk mate, the boss of the bossa, the bossa of the bosses, and the bosse of the boss. What's your name, baby girl?
Musa.
Okay. Where are you from?
Edo State.
Okay.
Oh shit, Edo State.
So those are my roommates, and you might get to see them more and more.
Yeah, I'm the most hyper, you know.
She's the most hyper, actually. You might get to see them more and more. They might show up in my videos. So
Don't
Well-
forget our names.
yeah, don't forget their names: Angela, Isaac, or Mirabeth. Then my bunkmate is Rosabelle. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.